Hey guys, what's up? This is Luigi Versoza, and today's video we're gonna take a look on two condenser microphones from Mickle Audio. This is the Mickle US100 and the XLR100. But before we proceed, if you're interested on tech reviews and product reviews like this, then consider subscribing to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you get updated every time I upload a new video like this. So with that said, let's get started. Okay, so first let's do a very quick unboxing for these two microphones. Let's do the unboxing for this microphone first. This is the US100. And let's open the box of the US100. So here, upon opening the box, you have a styrofoam cover. And then here's the user manual. We have a pop filter in here. And we also have this, this is a microphone holder. It's made out of plastic. And then we also have the USB cable. It's a Type B USB cable. And then here's the stand for the microphone, or the desk stand for the microphone. And of course, lastly, we have here the Mickle US100. Here you go. Alright, next we're gonna be unboxing the XLR100. So let's open the box. This is actually a studio kit. So this box is bigger because it includes several items. So first we have the pop filter, and also we have a user manual in here. Let's put this aside. And they also included a free pop filter. And then we have here an XLR cable to a 3.5mm jack. So XLR to 3.5mm. And then we have here a shock mount. So here we have a metal shock mount. It's quite durable compared to the other shock mount that is provided on other studio microphones like this. And then we also have here an XLR to XLR cable. So here's the XLR to XLR cable. They also included an audio splitter just in case you wanted to use this directly to a laptop. And also, they also have a USB sound card. I'm not sure if this is a sound card, but this looks like one. So it's similar to the audio splitter, but this one goes directly to the audio port and this one goes to the USB. But the use is actually the same. I'm quite surprised because not all of the studio microphones that you can buy includes this kind of audio splitter. So what else is inside the box? They also included a boom arm, which you can connect on the desk, of course. And of course, the clamp for the desk, which you will connect into the boom arm. So here. And lastly, we have here's the Mickle XLR100. If you're new to home recording, game streaming, or podcasting, a good microphone will help you make your contents better. However, most of quality microphones comes with a higher price tag. So Mickle Audio, an audio equipment manufacturer, made these microphones for those who are looking for studio quality microphones on a budget price range. So here we have two identical microphones. So we have here the XLR100 and the one that I am speaking with right now, the US100. So basically, the XLR100 is an XLR microphone and the US100 is a USB condenser microphone. Anyway, for those who are not familiar with XLR and USB condenser microphones, XLR microphones usually requires 48 volts phantom power that can be powered using mixers or audio interfaces, while USB condenser microphones are USB powered, which you can just connect using the USB cable to the computer. So what's the difference between the two aside from their connection type? So both microphones have a cardioid polar pattern. The XLR100 has a frequency response of 30 Hz to 20 kHz, And since you can connect it to an audio interface, it can support 32-bit recording on up to 192 kHz sample rate. The US100 has a frequency response of 30 Hz to 15 kHz and supports 16-bit recording on 44.1 kHz to 48 kHz sample rates. Enough for the specifications, let's go ahead and do a sound test on both microphones. So right now you are hearing from the Mickle US100. So in order to test the polar pattern of the microphone, I'm gonna be rotating the microphone so you would hear the difference when I am spinning around the microphone. So right now I am talking in front of the microphone and I'll spin it around. Right now I'm on the left side of the microphone. Now I'm talking at the back of the microphone. I'm talking at the right side of the microphone. And again, I'm talking in front of the microphone. Next, we will do a noise test so you would hear how the Mickle US100 picks up the noise or the ambient noise in the background. Currently, the air conditioner is turned on and there's a few ambient noises that you can hear in the background. I'll be silent for a while to let you hear the ambient noises. So next, we're gonna be doing an instrument test. So I'm gonna point out the microphone to my guitar so you can hear how the microphone picks up the sound of the guitar. Right now you are hearing from the Mickle XLR100 connected using an XLR to 3.5mm cable connected to the computer using the included USB sound card. So just a quick disclaimer, I have used the XLR100 on just a USB sound card. So I think it's gonna sound better if you're gonna be using an audio interface with it. But if you don't have an audio interface, that would be fine as long as you're not doing a professional recording. So again, we're gonna be doing a polar pattern test for this microphone. So in order to test the polar pattern of this microphone, I'm gonna rotate the microphone so you would know how my voice changed whenever I spin around the microphone. So right now, I'm talking in front of the microphone, and as I spin it around, you would hear how my voice changes whenever I spin around the microphone. I'm now talking at the back of the microphone, talking at the side of the microphone, and I am back at the middle of the microphone. Next, we're going to be doing a noise test for the XLR100, and still, the air conditioner is turned on and there's a few ambient noises that you can hear in the background. So I'm going to be quiet for a while so you can hear the ambient noises. And lastly, of course, we're going to be doing an instrument test for the XLR100. And I'm going to point the microphone to my guitar so you can hear how this microphone detects the sound of an instrument. So that's it for the test for the XLR100 and the US100. So for the singing test, I will be uploading a separate video for both of these microphones. So it's time to know which microphone is for you. Is it an XLR microphone or a USB microphone? So if you're a singer or a music producer and you want a studio microphone for recording, then I would suggest the Mickle XLR100. The XLR100 has a better frequency range, which means it detects more information about your vocals. And since it is using an XLR connection, you can connect the microphone to a good audio interface or a good audio mixer. By doing that, you will get a better quality sound for your recording, and of course, you will also be able to record at 32-bit and up to 192 kHz sample rate. That means you have a higher headroom when doing some post-processing on your recording. On the other hand, if you're a game streamer, a podcaster, or you just need a microphone for voiceovers or YouTube videos like this, then the Mickle US100 is perfect for you. Since it's USB powered, all you have to do is put the USB cable into your computer and you can start your recording. So that's it for our video for today, and I hope this video helps you if you're looking for a new microphone to buy. So I want to know what are your thoughts about these two microphones. Which one sounds better and which type of microphone are you gonna buy in the future? Are you into XLR or USB? Comment down on the comment section below. And again, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and for newcomers to the channel, please consider subscribing for more product reviews or microphone reviews like this. Please do click that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so you get updated for my future videos. Again, my name is Luigi Versoza, and thank you so much for watching this review. I'll see you guys on the next video.